When it comes to remodeling your kitchen, the temptation to go for the cheapest options is real. After all, between cabinets, countertops, sinks, faucets, and hardware, costs can add up fast. But while saving money feels great at checkout, the hidden costs of cheap kitchen remodels often surface months later. Let's break down where homeowners often overspend or underinvest, and how choosing the right kitchen sinks, faucets, and cabinet hardware can help you save money without cutting corners. 1. Kitchen sinks. Your sink takes the most abuse in your kitchen. From boiling water to heavy pots, invest in quality. Choose 16 or 18 gauge stainless steel or a durable material like fire clay or granite composite. Workstation sinks add built-in accessories that save time and counter space. 2. Kitchen faucets. A cheap faucet leaks, stains, and wastes water. Solid brass or stainless faucets with pull-down or touchless features last longer and perform better. Spend a little more now, save hundreds later. 3. Cabinet hardware. Think of hardware as your kitchen's jewelry. Cheap knobs make premium cabinets look dull, while sturdy, stylish pulls instantly elevate your design. When planning your kitchen remodel cost breakdown, consider using a 70-20-10 approach. 70% toward core essentials like cabinetry, sink, faucet, and hardware, 20% toward design upgrades and decor, 10% for unexpected costs or contingencies. This formula helps you invest wisely in the features that impact daily use the most. A high-quality sink and faucet not only improve function, but also raise your home's resale appeal. Cabinet hardware, though small in size, creates an immediate tactile and visual upgrade. Affordable kitchen remodel ideas aren't about going cheap. They're about being intentional. Prioritize durability and timeless design, and your kitchen will look and perform like a luxury space even on a budget. Every remodel comes with budget decisions, but not every deal is worth it. The goal isn't to spend more, it's to spend smarter. Choosing high-quality kitchen sinks, faucets, and cabinet hardware ensures your remodel stands up to daily life and adds lasting value to your home. If you would like to support our small business, visit rtakb.com.